Hi everyone, my name is Viraj Siddharth. Today date is 21 March 2022. Today's topic is should teachers be friends with, with students. When teachers are friendly with their students, the students look up to them as a mentor. They trust them enough to share their personal problems and elements with their teachers. They genuinely respect and always have uh, fond memories of such teachers who helped them in their years growing up to reach adulthood. An age-old predicament of teachers worldwide has been whether they should be more friendly with their students or not. This question is ever so relevant in the age of social media. While many teachers hold the view that students and teachers should bond more in and outside the classroom, many others get apprehensive, worrying about various ways it might backfire. Their concerns are not unfounded. Every teachers must establish their boundaries and make the students respect them. Having said that, being friends with your students will more often than not leave a positive impact on them. It will make students less nervous in voicing their opinions, concerns, and much more likely to confident. Your, as always, enough moderation is vital, and it is a teacher's responsibility to draw a line that lets student open up to you, yet uh, prevents them from walking all over you. Here are a few reasons why being friend with your students can be great way to enhance their learning experience and academic achievement. Empowers of students. When teachers are friendly with the students, they feel a sense of importance and feel like they are being heard in the classroom. When students feel like their opinions of the ideas and matter, it boosts their confidence and it creates a world of good, empowering the students and makes them ready to mm, ready to take on the modern world and develops real world skills which are integral or employability today. Therefore, student teacher is friendship make the students more confident, secure, and sure themselves and their skills. Active learning environment. Being friends with your students also helps to in changing uh, their involvement in the learning process. Unlike traditional instruction based teaching, and active learning environment focuses on student to student centering learning. It helps in improving the students learning outcomes. For instance, of online classes are becoming increasingly popular today because they promote an active learning environment coupled with flexibility in teaching and learning enough. When features such as online teaching through mobile, when students get more involved with the study material, they think and learn in way possible through simple instruction based teaching. The concept of stick of their mind and they contain attain the most of clarity the subject. Therefore, being more friendly with the student is a simple and effective way of chancing student learning outcomes. Next is mm, uh, enhance student engagement. Student engagement is an essential aspect of teaching. Any meaningful learning can happen only when students have the intention and will to learn. When teachers are friendly with the students, they are more interested with that the on in classroom. Thank you.